Naomi Home presents the Emma Button Tufted Loveseat assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, place a washer onto each leg. Next, attach the legs onto the chair base by turning clockwise. Align the seat cushion to the chair base and press down to attach it in place. And there you have it, your button tufted love seat is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.